Nowadays, as an important supplement to cloud computing, edge computing is getting more and more attention in its role in building connected factories. Edge computing realizes the analysis, processing, and storage of data at the edge of the network, which not only reduces the dependence on the cloud, but also improves the security of data. However, edge computing puts forward high requirements on the local processing power of data, and the traditional PLC controller is not qualified for such work. In recent years, APIC have been able to replace traditional PCs, servers, and older hardware in factory environments. Edge controller devices utilize the latest advanced technologies in IT communications and Internet of Things, while retaining the advantages that were provided by TAICENN OT. The communication of edge controller has two different levels. One is divided by O to collect industrial equipment and process data, which belongs to the category of OT. The other is the communication between edge equipment and OT data center and cloud server, which belongs to the category of IT, that is, the category of industrial internet, as a physical interface between IT and OT, on the basis of completing the control function of the workstation or production line. The interface ability and computing ability of industrial equipment are improved, and the applicability of industrial equipment is improved. So the integration of IT and OT can be promoted to a certain extent. Therefore, the combination of multiple technologies of edge controllers can meet the needs of multiple applications. So it is very suitable for industrial applications. Unlike traditional PLC, edge controllers provide a complete connectivity solution, including acting as an OPC or MQTT server. Because edge controllers are built for industrial environments and are used out of the box, unlike solutions for PC, edge controllers hardly require IT to intervene. This shifts the burden from IT to others and allows automation to fully control, and operations and engineering costs are generally lower due to simplified hardware and software licensing. As more and more industrial enterprises embark on the journey of digital transformation, the demand for the integration of IT and OT is growing stronger in today. With the continuous development of intelligence, the edge controller combined with edge technology solutions is just adapted to this trend, which is also a trend of the future development of PLC.